and karibu sana. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe to this channel. My name is Kenyan Mary and I mostly do DIYs, life hacks, beauty hacks, house tours, you name it. Okay, so feel free to subscribe to this channel and join this creative family. And yes, like you have just clicked this video because of this topic. Yes, today I'm going to show you how to get bigger butts. Look at mine. Ooh, 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 ooh. I also need this life hack because damn, I'm suffering. That is a mess. That is a mess. So yeah, we all need this video. It's a very simple hack. It's going to take 5 minutes of your time. No sports, no creams, no exercise, no surgery, no injections. Just 5 minutes at your home. You're going for dinner, you're going to meet someone, you're going for a party, and you are suffering like me here. So you will need this 5 minutes of this video so that you can have some really sexy, curvy, shape in that dress. So let's get started and get straight to the video. So guys, here with me I have two tights. This is a stretchy jegging, and we will need this to make a butt lifter very quickly, like 2 minutes. And I will also need an elastic. So this is also a jegging. I'm gonna cut this top part to get this elastic. Yeah, and of course you need scissors. And that is all you need to get a bigger butt. Let's get started.
kind, but love is only a state of mind. It's in your heart and in your soul, where nothing hurts like letting go of all you had, go of all you want.